AI is reviewing code now. Anthropic code review tool explained clearly and that every developers must understand this. This is a future of developers. Imagine if you guys are pushing your code and instead of waiting for your senior developers to review your code, then AI instantly reviews your code and it identifies the bugs. Also, it ranks them based upon their severity and priority. It ranks them and even it suggests what could be the best fixes. Sounds like a feature, right? No, this is happening right now. Guys, as we started our career as a developer, we started depending on senior developers to review our code. But now Anthropic is helping us to review the code. It also helping us to fix the bugs and it also giving lot of improvements. Hello guys, welcome to AchieversIT. Today we are going to talk a game-changing update from Anthropic. As you already know, how Anthropic is helping each individual to improve your productivity and also it is helping us to fix the bugs as quickly as possible in the coding era. They just launched an AI-powered code review system using Claude. If you are a developer or even if you are a fresher or even if you are learning coding, this update will directly impact on our career. Will AI replace code reviewers? Will freshers lose jobs? Or will developers become more powerful? For all these questions, stay till the end because I'll also tell you how you can prepare for this AI-driven feature. AI is not happening. It is not a feature. It is now you must understand. What is the news here? So recently, Anthropic introduced a new feature called Code Review powered by Claude AI. So let me explain in very simple way. When a developer raises a PR, which is known as pull request for any feature, if the developer started writing any code, he has to raise a pull request. AI automatically reviews that code. It finds the bug before they enter into the production. This is like having a super intelligent senior developer working in 24/7. So let us decode how this code review is going to happen. Why this code review? First of all, you all must understand why this code review is required. Because AI is generating code for us. But don't ever try to expect AI is going to generate an accurate code. There will be bugs. There will be mistakes. There will be security issues. For that reason, code review is necessary. Let's break this down in a very simple way. Step number 1. When the PR is created, when you push the code and create a pull request. Step 2, AI agents activate. The Claude sends multiple AI agents. 1, 2, 3. It won't even send only just one. It sends multiple requests to multiple agents. Then step 3, it happens parallel bug detection. These agents scan your code. Simultaneously, it will be keep scanning your code simultaneously. And step number 4, it removes false positives. AI filters unnecessary warnings. So there is no confusion. When it comes to step 5, it ranks wisely what kind of issues are there and based upon the issue severity, whether it is a critical bug or a medium issues or a minor improvements. And at last, the final steps 6, final output on high quality summary comment, inline suggestions on your code, and this will help. This is a faster than any human can do. That is where this code review is very, very important. Let's understand why this is a big deal in the software development companies. It is useful for faster development, no more waiting for manual reviews, better code quality, AI catches mistakes that humans are going to miss. Then cost reduction. Companies save money on reviewing time. Works with vibe coding. Today developers are using AI tools to generate a code, but that code also needs lots of validation. Let me talk about what is vibe coding. So you might have heard about this term called vibe coding. So let me explain. You describe what you want. When you explain, AI writes the code. Example, if I'm planning to build a login page with React or maybe Angular or anything, AI generate a full code, but here is the problem. AI generated code not always perfect, keep it in mind. Either it can have bugs, it can also have security issues, it can also have inefficiencies, then what is the solution? Then that is where AI code must also be validated. It should be reviewed thoroughly. For that, in case if you're relying on a developer, senior developers or any leads, if they are busy, I'm sure your PR is not going to approve. Then your code might not reach to the production. For that reason, this AI Anthropic code review tool is really required. Will developers lose a job in case if I am using all this? Now the big question is, AI will replace developers? That is what the big question. The reality is, no. AI will replace only low skill repetitive tasks. What kind of changes here? Guys, less manual debugging, less basic review work. What kind of things that can be increased? See, system design skills can be improved. Problem solving skills can be improved. Architectural thinking can be improved. See, in case if you are copying the code from different, agent or different place, if any issues are there in terms of security, it can be improved. Otherwise, your code will be in danger. And if you are not understanding any issues which are there in the code which is related to the security, it will damage your production environment. That is where the future of developers, let me listen carefully. Let me tell you the future roadmap. New skills are really required for every individual. AI tool usage and code understanding. Even though the tools are generating code, it is mandatory for us to understand what kind of code that tools are generating. And debugging logic, it also improves debugging logic. It gives clean architecture. That is where the developers, in case if you follow this, developers can become AI supervisors, system thinkers. They can also solve problem solvers. AI is not your competitor. It is your assistant. Don't think AI is going to kill a lot of jobs. It is an assistant. Why should you do this? If you are a student seeking for a job as a fresher, follow these techniques. Learn technology, either JavaScript or React or Java or Python. The skill, any one programming language, it is mandatory for you to learn. Then the code review, when you are writing a code, it will be easier for your tool. AI tool is going to generate less bugs and it can even help you to improve your code efficiency. And Git and pull request. You should know what is versioning systems, version management, how Git works, how GitHub works, how GitLab works, what is pull requests. And you should also focus on debugging techniques. What do you mean by debugging? Identifying bugs and understanding the code. Is there any issues? Is there any performance improvements? Are any security patches? And you should also practice real world projects. So instead of working on small projects, focus on real world projects. I mean to say, for example, if there is any problem that you identify nearby, you think about it. Would be possible for me to build any system or any application to solve this problem? That is called real world projects. And you should always do frequent reviews. That is also very, very, very important. Why should we do frequent code reviews? For that, when you are doing code reviews frequently by using AI tool, it will help you to identifying the uncertainty of your code. And use AI smartly in this particular phase. Don't depend too much, but use smartly. Understand the output. At AchieversIT, we'll train you for a real industry, not outdated skills. We'll help you how this Anthropic AI tool for code reviewing, which works, and how are we going to use them wisely. And before raising pull request, what kind of steps that we're supposed to take so that your production servers are always in safe. So guys, this is just the beginning. AI reviewing code today, tomorrow AI may build entire systems as well, right? But no matter whether it is reviewing code today or it is building entire system tomorrow, but we'll try to use AI as our assistant to build our products as well. So that we should not be in a position to just, afraid of this particular change. And as you guys have already seen from past 2 decades, almost 20 years, when you guys are observing, every 5 years or every 10 years, there will be a lot of changes comes into the picture and we have to adapt it. However, pandemic also teaches a lot of lessons, and even this crisis also teaching us a lot of lessons. Now it is a time, if you are a student or if you are a professor or if you are a freelance coder or if you are looking for a job or anyone, whoever it is, try to start using AI tools. And if you like this particular content, share with your friends and comment your thoughts. Also subscribe this particular channel for more updates.